Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you all how to go from this to this with just a few makeup products in less than 5 minutes with just 3 makeup brushes. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright y'all, so first things first, we're going to start off with priming our face, and today I'm going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And for the application, I'm just going to be pressing that into my skin instead of massaging it. And then as you can see, the white cast is from my sunscreen, so do not mind that at all. Next, I'm going to be taking the Sephora Best Skin Ever Concealer. And here you're going to see me comparing the two shades. One is more of a neutral shade that complements my skin, but one is more warmer. So that is what I'm going with today. Here you see me using the Spot Conceal method, and I'm just taking the applicator and I'm literally just dotting my face in the places where I notice some dark spots or hyperpigmentation. I'm going to let that concealer sit on my face just a little bit so that it can become more tacky for a little bit more coverage. Right now, I'm going to go in and fill in some of the very sparse areas in my eyebrows. I typically go for the natural bushy look, so I'm just doing pretty much the bare minimum. I'm going to be taking this Sephora brush to blend out that concealer that I allowed to sit on my face. And I'm just going to be pressing that concealer into my face instead of swiping. After blending in your concealer, your face should be looking somewhat similar to this, but we're not done here. I'm going to be taking this lighter shade of the Sephora Best Skin Ever Concealer, and I'm just going to place this in the highlighted areas for a natural bright look. I'm also going to go in with this concealer that matches my skin tone, and I'm going to be using this to clean up underneath my brows. Here I am going back in with that Sephora brush to blend out that concealer underneath my eyebrows. But you'll also see me going in with a damp paper towel to remove the excess concealer because I don't want any more additional product on my eyelids. I'm going to take my time blending out the brightening concealer that I left on my face a little while earlier. And I'm just going to make sure that I press this product into my face without swiping it across my face for maximum coverage. For any excess concealer left on the brush, I went ahead and I dragged it down to my upper lip and on my chin. And to lock everything in, you know I had to go in with a powder. So for today, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm just going to be using this nice fluffy brush. And I'm just going to be pressing this onto my skin and the highlighted areas where I used that lighter concealer. To warm up my face, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami bronzer, and I'm going to keep using that fluffy brush that I used with the translucent powder. And I can't forget the nose contour. So what I did, I am still using that brush. However, I just pinched it and I took it down the bridge of my nose for a more defined look. To blend everything together for a seamless look, I'm going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and I am literally taking this powder and placing it all over my face. Finally, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, and I'm using this to set my face. And then I will also be going in with the Onesize setting spray just for a more mattified look since I am an oily girl. For my everyday makeup look, it's only right that I go in with a nice warm toned lip gloss. And I love to use the applicator of this lip gloss to slightly overline my lips for a more fuller look. All right, y'all, so this completes my everyday makeup look. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends, as I've enjoyed sharing my tricks and tips with you all. And I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye, divas.